go on to another scapula isolation exercise, just carefully off to the side. I'm going to put the foot bar up and just lie prone on your stomach. Wonderful. Again, we could put pads under the hips if there's any tension through the lower back. And we've done this exercise before. I'm just going to review. So we're just press away. First of all we're going to have Natalia do is just to elevate and slightly depress the scapula. So keep the elbows almost straight. That's it. Slight bend. Now just press into. That's it. So depress. Now press into the bar, and you're going to elevate, and you're going to watch the scapula nicely. That's it. Raise up, and then easy down. So they're just easy, going around the rib cage and elevating and coming back down. Wonderful. From there, come back into that nice neutral position. Find that nice neutral position. We bend the elbows and just press away. And then we could also do this, as we did before, unilaterally, one arm, making sure that everything is moving nicely, not winging. That's it. And then we're going to go into a little more of a challenge now, because the tension's going to be coming from behind. There's going to be much more tendency to medially rotate. So we're just going to give Natalia the straps. That's it.
There you go.
And she could bend her knees here if she's feeling any pressure through the lower back. And we're just going to do a bicep curl. So from here, exhale, keeping the shoulders nice and wide through the front, but being careful not to pinch back. The tendency is, here again, to pinch back through the shoulder blades. That's it, scapula.
Excellent. This is a great way for anybody who tends to be overly flexed with pec major, pec minor, and or tightness in the biceps. The springs help you come back through full range of motion. It feels wonderful. It feels very safe for most of your clients. And there's a good extension control or postural control through here as you are opening up the front of the shoulders.
And the great eccentric work on the bicep as she returns.